Hey guys, I'm Flo. For those who are new to my channel, everybody welcome. Today we are doing omugwo. Mmiri Oku is a special Igbo yam pepper soup for new moms. So this recipe is dedicated to all the new moms and intending new moms. Yay! If you're from another tribe or even another country and you have a special meal that you prepare for new moms in your place, please let me know in the comments. I would like to know. But before we start, some very important information. Mmiri Oku is not for you if you are pregnant. So if you have a slightest suspicion that you might be pregnant, please do not eat this meal. At least one of the ingredients in this meal is known to cleanse the uterus, that's the womb. So there's a high risk of a miscarriage for those who are in the early stages of their pregnancy. And for those who are in the later stage of their pregnancy, this can induce premature labor. So please stay away from this meal. This meal is not for you if you are TTCing, that is trying to conceive. And by you, I mean the couple trying to conceive. This meal is known to set your reproductive organs on fire, thereby preventing fertilization and implantation. That is for the ladies. For the men, this meal can make your messenger swim backwards. So please, for both parties trying to conceive, stay away from this meal. Mmiri Oku is for new moms. Where possible, it should be the first meal a new mom eats right after giving birth and for the duration of her omugwo, that is maternity leave. Of course, she'll be eating other meals during her maternity leave. The ingredients you need for Mmiri Oku are very traditional. You will need white puna yam, of course, dry fish. We do not use fresh fish for Mmiri Oku, only dry fish. You can use mangala or dry catfish. I'll add Cameroon pepper. Cameroon pepper is a new generation addition to this recipe. It's hot and spicy. You need uda, the active ingredient in this meal. It's also hot and spicy. Uda is the ingredient that is believed to cleanse the uterus and helps it contract after childbirth. Please note that I am saying believed because I do not think there's any research on this. It's the belief of our great-great-grandparents, which has been carried over from generation to generation. Dry cayenne pepper, hot and spicy. Ozeza, hot and spicy. So we have 4 hot and spicy ingredients here. The plan is to set your mouth, your throat, your stomach, and subsequently your womb on fire so that anything remaining in there would be expelled. In fact, this meal makes you produce spicy sweat. It is that hot. And if my grandma were preparing this meal, she would add even more of these spicy ingredients. You need uziza leaves or otazi leaves. And finally, you need ogiriwo. Yes. First, soak the dry fish in cool water and set aside to soften. Grind all the spicy ingredients. Sieve it to remove the strands of uda. When the fish is soft, clean and debone. Slice, peel and cut the yam into half moons. Rinse and put in a pot. Add the dry fish, the mixed spices, and pour water to cover everything. Add the ogiri Igbo. Add salt and start cooking on high heat. When it boils, add the uziza leaves and continue cooking till you can easily drive a knife into the yams. Add the utazi, stir and take it off the stove. Serve immediately while it is still piping hot, and the new mom must try to eat it while it's still piping hot. You see how the yam is separated from the pepper soup? That's how it's served. That pepper soup on the right can also be used to eat pounded yam. Bye bye, see you soon.